All right, guys, I'm out here with the Wurkkos TD04 right here. Looking pretty good, right? I think this one defaults to the most powerful mode. I should probably aim the camera a little bit higher. All right, check it out. Definitely has a good reach. Basically a good combination of a spotlight and a floodlight all in one, right? Well, it may not reach necessarily like super far. It definitely lights up the entire scene right in front of you. It actually reaches really good. Look at that. Definitely looking like a lightsaber right here. Vroom, 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 vroom. It's my Star Wars lightsaber impression, by the way. So there you go. Let me cycle through some modes. So I think that's turbo. Then you got off. There we go. Well, that's low, right? And then medium, high, and off. Right. So is that it? So low, medium, high, double click. There's turbo. Okay. So low, medium, high, and turbo. Up at the trees there above me. All right. Take a look. And then as far as the reach goes, that's a good 100, 200 meters, if not more. That's pretty good, pretty insane. Again, for the size, it's not too bulky, not too big, very lightweight, and still got some decent juice, right, as compared to some of the other smaller EDC flashlights. So definitely very capable. You guys rate it in the comments on a scale from 1 through 10. How good is this guy? I mean, you can see some trees way over there, right? And of course, as something gets a lot closer to me, right, it's going to come into a lot more contact with the light for sure. So yeah, it's almost midnight out here and it's looking like daytime, so that tells you pretty much everything you need to know right there. Yeah, I'm definitely making a really good first impression here. Getting a little toasty, of course, after being on for a little while. I can feel it in my hand, but it is aluminum, so the second you turn it off, it dissipates the heat pretty good. So yeah, pretty impressive right there. Might call Batman at some point. If Batman shows up, you know what's up. I just called him right there with this flashlight. Anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts about this one, and back to the video.